How to get a mobile boarding pass on Southwest Airlines. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Southwest app. Here, click on My Trips at the bottom. Then click on Look Up a Reservation. There, add your confirmation number. Then add your first name. Then add your last name and press on Retrieve Reservation. After that, you will find your reservation. And after you find your reservation, at the bottom you will find View Boarding Pass. You can simply click on View Boarding Pass. And after that, you can select Save to Phone or Add to Wallet. And you can screenshot for backup as well. And this is how to get a mobile boarding pass on Southwest Airlines. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.